The website I chose was Facebook. Facebook was created in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg. Facebook is a website used by millions on a daily basis. Facebook is a great place to reconnect with old college roommates, your high school sweetheart, or distant family members. On Facebook, you can post statuses, share photos or videos, and rekindle with the past. Facebook is designed to reconnect users with the past and present. It serves as a social media platform that people use worldwide every day. It can be accessed on the computer or on smartphones. Facebook members need to create a profile. Here, all your basic information can be displayed. Many people show their current job information, job history, birthday, email address, education, and hobbies or activities they enjoy or partake in. Your profile shows your friends, photos, and posts to anyone that views your profile. Unless your profile is private, then only your friends can see your information. In the search bar, users can also search for friends or family members, as well as groups, pages, events, or places. This is a good tool to use when trying to find old friends or distant family. In order to have a Facebook friend, you must send a friend request to someone or they must send one to you, and it must be accepted by both ends. Many users tend to use Facebook groups. Here, you and a group of friends or family can communicate through the group, whether it be the neighborhood gardening club or the family holiday group of chefs. You can also send messages and photos through Messenger. Messenger can be accessed on the computer, or users can download the app so that their messages can be received on their mobile devices. Whenever a user gets a message or friend request, a notification will appear in the top right corner. Your feed is the main page of Facebook. Here, your friends' posts or photos will appear. Recommendations or ads may also pop up due to your liked post or interactions with similar people or pages. Some extra tools on Facebook include a list of your likes, which could consist of a Food Network recipe or a funny video of an animal. You can also access your notes on Facebook. This could be a reminder to call your doctor or an important date to remember. Users can also view their notifications. Here, users can see who had interactions with their post, such as a like or comment. They can also be alerted when a certain page or person puts out a new post or photo. A new tool Facebook has created is Marketplace. Here, users can buy or sell products and goods, as well as see the goods people near them are selling. Many people tend to post furniture, vehicles, or gaming consoles.